Ceramic ball grinding optimization solution. Traditional steel ball grinding suffers iron contamination, high power consumption, severe wear and unstable fineness. Full ceramic ball grinding is the optimal upgrade to resolve these common milling pain points. Unlike impact-based steel balls, premium ceramic grinding media works through shear and peeling, with zero iron pollution, low noise and long lifespan. High-purity aluminum, CTA, and nuts composite media have replaced steel balls. Users can access full-spec ceramic milling ball data from professional grinding media product platforms for all wet and dry milling scenarios. Efficient ceramic milling relies on scientific graded distribution. Multi-size medium and small sphere collocation maximizes contact area, eliminates dead zones, and ensures uniform parcel size. Verified by zirconia-alumina compound grinding media resources. Grinder ZTA media delivers for true 30 times higher wear resistance than ordinary alumina balls, lowering long-term operating costs. We provide tailored grading schemes for mainstream mills. Large primary mills adopt mixed-size balls for coarse crushing. Secondary fine mills use small beads for ultra-fine grinding. Medium mills apply balanced grading for energy efficiency, while dry mills utilize dense small ceramic spheres. Full series mining ceramic balls on composite microspheres on dedicated grinding media pullet libraries meet all industrial melon needs. Standard operation protects ceramic media from clogging and tripping of a high altitude feeding now load running. Regular liner inspection and flexible feed adjustment stabilize grinding quality. Strict anti-pollution management ensures high purity for electronic powder production. Daily shift inspection and quantitative media replenishment maintain stable grading. Full screening on regraining offer 3 to 6 months restore million performance. Compared with steel balls, ceramic grinding could spark consumption by 10% to 25%, regresses media wear by over 90% and extends liner service life greatly. In short, optimized full ceramic ball grinding enables precise, clean, and low consumption production. It stabilizes product quality and delivers outstanding economic benefits, ideal for wide promotion in modern mineral and powder processing industries.